Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection on your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. So, right here we have the first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and second, do not. So, open the application on your first device and then go to the settings at the right top. Right here in the third line we have dual connection, tap on it, and firstly we need to enable it. So click at the slider near to it. After that we should connect these earbuds with a second device. So you can click connect new device in the application, or at the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You should press and hold it until this little light starts flashing, and you will also can pair your second device with your earbuds. Now I'm going to use an application, so click on it and then click got it. Now we should see it right here at the device list. Tap on it and then click pair. And as you can see right here we have two devices what connected with the headphones, and in the application you can remove one of this device. Let's say you don't need Realme, so you just press the slider near to it and it disconnected from your phone. Also we can click in the history on the manage and remove some phones. Let's say I don't need Realme, so I click remove and remove. Also I can make the same with a Pixel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.